Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4 of changing the width of a line just by hitting your W key. And I could change it to a hairline. And the good thing, what I kind of like, I found out playing with this, if I hit W and change the line, it goes away. But I hit W and change it to a hairline, it goes away. If I hit W and get that and move that, it'll stay there. So I can do a lot of lines by just doing that right there. And this is also important when you want to add a line to this. And I've found out something just trying to do it. If you will elongate this line, it'll make it a little bit easier to add to it. So let's go to customization. Go to commands, and we're going to add a 20 point line. Of course, my bar's in the way now. We're going to add a 20 point line right there, and it put it in order. Then hit OK. And then when you squash this down, your 20 point line will be below your 16 point line. Now you can still right click, customize, toolbar item, caption to the right of image. And then you'll have it every time you use it. That's pretty slick. I like it. I want to thank my mentor he made a little video on it, but he is new to it and hadn't started talking yet. I don't even know him. Maybe he can't talk. I will find out. But that's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.